Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year 2023. Today I'm really excited to share with you guys a box that I received from Madam Glam. This one has 4 of the new polishes from their brand new collection. This one is called the House of Glam collection and it's a total of 8 polishes in the collection. They sent me 4 of them, so we're going to take a look at them. I'm already wearing 2, and they also sent me their brand new texture gel paints. They sent me the black and the white that they have. These are 0.17 fluid ounces, and there's more information on their website. I'll leave a link in the description box of the video, as well as a discount code you can use if you purchase anything at madamglam.com. If you click through the link, they'll know that I sent you from my channel. Let's take a closer look at each color. We'll start with this one, which is one of the ones that I'm already wearing. This one is called Royal Card, and it's a beautiful mauve pink. The formula, as always, is really creamy and very opaque. Madam Glam polishes are vegan, cruelty-free, 21-free formula, palm oil-free, and henna-free. I'll do a quick swatch of each color so you guys can see what it looks like as it applies. Since these are gel polishes, you want to go ahead and apply very thin layers on your nails and cure in between each layer. Here we have one thin coat. Next, we have this beautiful light purple, and this one is the one that I used for the middle 2 nails, but it looks a little bit different. It doesn't look as opaque because I did something different on top. It's called Astrological Goddess, another beautiful creamy polish. Let's swatch it. These polishes always self-level so beautifully. Next up, we have this beautiful teal, and this one is called Green Energy. This is what the swatch looks like on the top of the lid, and look at how vibrant this color is. I love it. If you're enjoying this video, click the thumbs up and share a comment to let me know. That really helps out my channel. And lastly, we have this beautiful brown. This one is called Oracle. This is what the swatch looks like. Let's open it up. Beautiful creamy brown. I can't wait to put this one on my nails. So pretty. And out of the 4 that I chose, this one was my favorite. Now we'll cure these in the lamp for 60 seconds. While we're waiting for those to cure, I wanted to go ahead and open these up and show them to you guys. I already used the white one, but I wanted to show you the black, how it comes sealed. They both come sealed really well. It has an aluminum seal. And then I went ahead and cut this one open carefully to show you guys what the texture looks like. And look at that. It's so creamy and it's very, very stiff. So it's really easy to work with it, and it stays in place once you put it on the nail. That's how I was able to create this little sweater pattern design on my nails. And it doesn't look bright white. I'll show you on the screen what it looked like when I originally applied it, just the white. And then I went ahead and mixed a little bit of the base polish, gel polish, with the white, and I went over it one more time after I cured, so that it wasn't so bold and it blended more like a sweater. So I really like how it turned out, and it was really easy to work with this, and it was really fun too. There's so many cool ideas. I've seen people use these to create snowflakes and snow designs on their nails, like icicles, that look really, really pretty. For my design, I used the Ultra Liner brush from Madam Glam, which worked really well. It's very thin and narrow, so I was able to create the design that I wanted. I would just dip it into the white gel paint and then apply it onto my nail. And I really like the way it turned out. One of the things that I really like about this texture gel is that it's a no wipe gel. So when you finish working with it and you cure it, it's not sticky. Let me know if you've tried this gel and what you've used it for. Let's open the black one and see what this one looks like. If you haven't tried this gel, would you be interested in trying it? Like, do you have any ideas of what you could use it for? Leave a comment and let me know. This is what the black one looks like. Then here you can see how it just stays in place. It doesn't move around, and it's really neat. I wish I would have recorded when I was creating the design on my nail so that you guys could see how I worked with it. But the next time that I use it, I'll definitely do a video so you guys can see. I really like the design that I came up with and how pretty it looks. After curing, I'll quickly apply a second coat of each color. After applying the second coat and curing in the lamp, this is what we ended up with. The colors are beautiful, and I love the combination that they sent me. They all look really, really pretty together. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I'll have on the screen the full collection so you guys can see the colors that I don't have, the entire collection together. And if you have any questions or comments, please be sure to let me know down below. A big thank you to Madam Glam for this beautiful package, and thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!